take the running stitch and arc tool, and let's go travel up this way. And then we'll use the satin and Bezier, and we'll go back around and finish this off. Whoops. Let's turn the stitches off, go to wireframe, and make our adjustments to the shape. If you need to zoom in to see better, you can do that. Okay, we're going to right click to zoom out. Turn our stitches on, and we're done outlining the monkey. It looks like what we have here. Let's turn our wireframe back on. There, that's good. Okay, we're going to move on to the monkey's mouth. Satin and arc tool. I'll place our 3 points. Do a running stitch to this side. Right click, and then finish it off with another satin and arc tool. Okay, for the nose we're going to use a running stitch and a straight line tool. We're going to place our points along the zigzag line here. Right click when finished. Let's go to wireframe. We're going to select the object, right click, and we're going to go into the running stitch properties, and we're going to set it to the bean stitch and increase it to 0.118 inches and select OK. Go back to stitches. For the monkey's cheek, we're going to change the color to Isochord 1755. And we're going to use the satin and arc tool. And we're going to place our points. Like so. And then right click. You can see here that I still had the nose object selected when I went to change the color, and it made it pink. So let's go back and change it back to black. We're going to select the object, go into the Isochord thread, and we're going to return that back to black. Okay, now we're going to copy and paste this cheek to the other side. So we're going to use the Control plus C key, Control V for paste, and then we're going to click and drag and move this to the right cheek. You turn on the wireframe, and it looks okay. Let's save this design before we go any further. Just click on the save icon. Okay, now we're going to work on the lettering. This time we're going to manually digitize each letter. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. And we're going to change the thread color to 1134. And we're going to use our satin stitch and Bezier tool and start with the C and start placing our points to create the letters. After we finish each letter, we're going to place a trim, a lock and a trim. Going to zoom in here and make some adjustments. Our stitches on, and that looks good. Okay, let's select the object and click on trim. You'll know a trim has been set when you see this red box with a red X inside it.